Welcome back to Mr. English, where learning English is easy and fun. Today's lesson is all about how to start speaking English with confidence, even if you're a beginner. If you understand English but feel shy or scared to speak, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know simple steps to speak naturally and confidently. So stay with me till the end, and let's begin. Light bulb 1. Confidence is more important than grammar. 1 minute. Here's the first secret. Confidence matters more than perfect grammar. You can know every rule, but if you never speak, no one will hear your English. So remember this golden rule. Backhand index pointing at fluency first, accuracy later. That means don't wait to be perfect, just start talking. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Fluency first, accuracy later. Great job. You already sound more confident. Grinning face with wet too. Don't fear mistakes. 1 minute. Many learners are afraid to speak because they might make mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are good. They mean you're learning and improving. Even native speakers make mistakes all the time, and they don't stop talking. Let's change the way you think. Say this out loud. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Awesome. Confidence begins in your mind, not your mouth. Speaking head 3. Speak every day, 1.5 minutes. Next tip, practice speaking every single day. You don't need a teacher or partner, just practice with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. For example, I woke up. I had breakfast. I went to work. Simple sentences are perfect. You're training your brain to think in English. Here's a challenge for you. Backhand index pointing at speak English for 5 minutes a day for 1 week. If you make a mistake, don't stop, keep going. Confidence grows through action, not perfection. Headphone 4. Copy native speakers, 1 minute. Another powerful trick, copy native speakers. This method is called shadowing. Listen to native speakers in YouTube videos.